And since I was helping them build products, many of them had reached a stage where they were now talking about growth. They were talking about expanding their businesses and so on and so forth. And one thing I noticed in all these conversations is that there was a lot of content play in each of these discussions, where someone said that I want content that will feed my top of the funnel. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing?
Awesome. So either quickly, could you, we always have a format. I say, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Inder, over to you. Please introduce yourself to our audience.
Absolutely. So I'm someone who's turned entrepreneur in the last 3 years itself. Prior to that, I was in the product management domain. I was helping people build a variety of technology products. And last 3 years have been very exciting, which is why I'm really excited to speak to other entrepreneurs over here as well. Uh, Other than that, I am one of the two sons of my lovely parents. I got married about 5 years back, and things have been so much better after that. And coincidentally, my partner is also my partner in business, and it's been a very interesting journey taking on these challenges, sharing responsibilities, understanding quite a new things along the way. And I'm sure that all of you must have had similar struggles, similar journeys. So I want this to be a very conversational session where I would also love to learn from you guys as well. And yeah, I'm excited to be here.
Awesome. So Inder, you have a beautiful product. Do you have a presentation to show us about the product? How would you like to go ahead with this?
I think there are some folks over here who've seen the product, but I'll probably show very small glimpses of it just to bring you guys up to pace. Maybe for those of you who don't know, I can start with a very short introduction, and yeah, keep asking me questions if you got more.
Yeah. So guys, what we do is we will request Inder to show us a quick demo of the product, and then you guys can ask your questions. Okay. And yeah, so let's do. And guys, what I'm doing is on the Learn Social Media group, I am saying, what is the one thing that you're learning from Inder today? Don't wait for the presentation to get over. जैसे जैसे इंदर आपको नए नए प्रोडक्ट और इंफॉर्मेशन देते रहेंगे, I want you to go on the Learn Social Media group और साथ के साथ आप अपना comments डालते रहिए कि मैंने क्या सीखा. Okay? Everybody has access to Learn Social Media. I'm posting a question over there. What are we learning from Inder today? Keep that group open on your site and start commenting. Over to you, Inder.
Awesome. I think what I'll begin with is uh, a very short introduction in terms of what got me over here. And I'm sure many of you will relate with a similar problem statement. So about 3 years back when I started diving into what I could do for a wider audience as I took to entrepreneurship, I went and spoke to a lot of entrepreneurs, especially the ones who were my clients on what is it that you would want me to do if I could only solve the top 2 or 3 problems that you've got. And since I was helping them build products, many of them had reached a stage where they were now talking about growth. They were talking about expanding their businesses and so on and so forth. And one thing I noticed in all these conversations is that there was a lot of content play in each of these discussions, where someone said that I want content that will feed my top of the funnel. I want content that will work with my emails to get me more replies. I want to personalize my content so that I can get more attention from audiences, etc., etc. And I started to then track into what are the trends that people are referring to. And almost all of that went back to either video or personalization or interactive content. So that sort of put me on a trajectory where I started exploring that what tools are out there which are working on the intersects of these 3 domains, either video that's personalized or personalized content that's also interactive, or interactive content that's also blending into videos, and so on and so forth. And this journey actually like brought me close to a lot of very interesting case studies where I realized that definitely using each one of these will give you multipliers, but very few of them had explored the combination of all three. For a variety of reasons. One, it was fairly time consuming to do, if not expensive, because you had to get a developer, a designer on board, and then go ahead and create these experiences. So that's where we thought that, let me see if I can bring in my product expertise and make something which can go ahead and personalize video content on a real-time basis. So that if you're doing a campaign for an audience of, let's say, 1 lakh individuals, you don't first create those 1 lakh videos and then send them. And then some of the initial conversations also went into a direction where they said that these personalized videos are doing a ton of justice for the investment that we're putting in. But what if we could also have some interactive components over there? Okay, say a video which goes out to Avi, which says, hey, Avi, I noticed that you're running this particular community, and I would want to be one of the participants over there. And within the video itself, if I could also add another point which says that here are the last 3 sessions that I've attended. And the video by itself had those interactive components that we could go and click. So that will give you a taste of what we've built. And I'll show you a few examples in terms of what is it that is actually working both in the B2B as well as the B2C domain. So I think visuals always work better. So I'm going to pull out my presentation just to show you 3 simple slides. And I'm just sharing my screen. Let me know once. Okay, I think I'll need permission to share my screen. Yeah.
Guys,
Awesome.
as Inder is teaching us and training us, I want all of you people to go to Learn Social Media. I put a post over there. What are we learning from Inder? So side by side, start commenting so that all our learnings for today are documented. Please go ahead.
Awesome. So if you look at all of these images, you'll notice that they've been designed for different device formats. The one on the top left is made for a standard desktop experience, whereas the one on the right-hand side is designed for a vertical video mobile first experience, whereas the other ones are on slightly different formats, which you might find on Instagram, or you might find as ad inserts in different sites, etc., etc. The interesting thing is that each of these can be blended in such a way that you could have a list of 1 lakh individuals where you've got their names and their company website details, which can flow into our platform and create these kind of hyper-personalized assets. And all of this can happen on a runtime basis. And even if you've got a scale of, let's say, an audience of, let's say, 5 million, the platform is now up to the level where it can do that in less than 15 minutes. So that's what we've been able to achieve over the last, I would say, 18 months, when we took the first pilot, tuned it up, added interactivity, added a bunch of personalization elements, etc., etc. And over the last 1 year, there are roughly about 1,500 agencies who've gone ahead and supported us in this journey, and they're using it in a variety of businesses. In fact, I noticed some of the participants in the session as well, who happen to be users of NextWeave. So if the format allows, I'll love to have some of them on the session as well. Now, what do you do once you have the ability to create these kind of assets? You could jump into either creating sales outreaches, where you send out videos to each one of your prospects and they feel special because it starts with their name, includes their company logo, etc., etc. Or you could use it across any of the channels that you can see on the right-hand side. It could be LinkedIn messages, where suddenly if you see an example where someone is holding your own website on a screen and they have additional details which are referring to you, you are definitely going to go ahead and click on it as compared to a standard message that you get. Same way, you can jump into WhatsApp messages and also try to personalize them. Emails can be personalized, landing pages can be personalized. We've got Mohit over here who's used it extensively well with emails. I know some folks who are doing it extensively well with WhatsApp messages and other chatbots as well. So this is how you can use it in the sales tech and the MarTech domain. There are some interesting domains which are also coming up, where On the left hand side, you'll notice that a lot of those who have just dabbled across the domain of NFTs, they must have seen that there are these large catalog of characters that have been created and being sold as NFTs. So many of them are also using it in a format where they'll take in these components and try to mix and match them to create these kind of catalogs. Or if you look on the right hand side, you'll see a classic example, which is being used in the remarketing space, where let's say on the left hand side, you've got someone who's purchasing chairs or looking for chairs. And on the right hand side, you've got someone who's looking for sneakers. The one on the left has not expressed an intent of any price range, whereas on the right, you've noticed that particular behavior. And these kind of analysis are typically done by most e-commerce platforms. What our platform does is takes them in, gives them the ability to define these kind of media assets so that they can then punch in and create these kind of inserts that can go in a variety of the channels that I mentioned. So that's a quick glimpse in terms of what we do. In terms of some of the assets and how they look, I've pulled out a few graphics, which I'll quickly show over here. So now the same personalized asset, as you can see, can be used as a LinkedIn message or an email insert or a chat message. This is just a representation, but once you go to the website, you'll see some more examples over there as well. And here is another one wherein this is an actual image that you can create, where you can even have tilted devices. You can warp those images and make them feel as if someone was actually holding them and have these kind of personalizations happening over there. And I'll leave it a very simple example. Let's say if I had to approach someone like Avi itself, through the platform, I have the option of creating something like this, where I can capture someone's website screenshot. I can connect it to a video experience so that when Avi clicks on this, it'll bring him to a page where specifically assets have been curated for Avi, along with his website representations. He can click and play a video which will talk about him, show him the website logo and other things.
Are you struggling to get engagement?
And at the same time, it's not just a couple of assets. We can have experiences across the page where we can reinforce personalization to get someone curious and take an action. So that's a quick glimpse in terms of what we built at NextWeave. And there are quite a few stories that we've got over here from across domains where people are using it in cold outreach. They have seen that they're getting about 40 to 50% more replies because people are either curious to know how someone did this kind of research and personalize it, or many of them feel as if someone reaching out to them has taken that kind of effort to create something which is hyper personalized just for them. And on the other hand, if you talk about B2C scenarios, there are million users. Personalizing it at scale for them has always been restricted to text. So now we are initiating experiments with them where it could be a gaming platform, it could be a standard e-commerce platform, it could be an aggregator platform. All of them can take in various variables from the respective platforms. If it's a gaming platform, it could be sessions. If it's, let's say, a food tech platform, it could be their favorite recipes. And they can mix and match imagery to create these kind of communication, which is specifically tiered for each and every individual. So I'm hoping this was insightful and this helped you guys understand what we do. And yeah, this is what we've been doing over the last 1.5 years. We've held about 1,500 entities and would love to interact with you guys and take in any questions over here.
I'm going to call out the most innovative idea. Don't just post an innovative idea. How are you going to use this amazing tool? What are you going to show in the GIF? What are you going to show in the video? How are you going to make it different? सारी दुनिया आज की डेट में एक ही चीज पर टिकी हुई है, and that is sales. And sales from complete strangers will only happen if you make them feel that you have something unique और आपने कुछ extra मेहनत करी है उनकी attention लेने के लिए. That's when people feel respected. When they feel respected, they give you their time. When they give you their time and attention, that is when you can start making sales happen. So we have another 30 seconds to go. Please go to the Facebook group and post your innovative idea कि next week का solution use करके इंदर ने जो आपको आज सिखाया है उसको use करके what will you do to get the attention of your customer? Yeah, Inder, can you give us a few examples?
Sure. I'll give you one example from the B2B domain and one from the B2C domain. Let's say you're trying to reach out to certain prospects that you found through LinkedIn, or you're trying to approach certain investors for yourself. So the usual conversation begins with you trying to find their email addresses, their LinkedIn profiles, and then you try reaching out to them with these messages. Now, the start of any conversation is going to be with relationship building, and breaking the ice is where it takes the most amount of probability and effort as well. Like, you're not sure that why would he react to a message coming from someone who's probably a stranger at best.
Right.
And that's where you need to have something which catches their eye, so that they at least reply you asking either how you did it, or yes, you've got my attention. What's the next conversation that you want to have? So I have personally used this to reach out to a lot of individuals to run partnerships for my SaaS itself. We managed to get about 100 integrations done by taking this approach, where I would send someone an example, mentioning their own website, showing them an example of how Nextweave works with their platform. And that immediately got me at least a 40% bump in the kind of responses I would get through LinkedIn or through emails. So if you're in the B2B space, I'm sure partnerships will matter a lot to you, or even sales for that matter, which will start from relationship building and then the 6 touch points that get you a transaction. So that's how you can use that. On the other hand, if you are in the B2C business, it could be anything from you running a blog, or you running an e-commerce platform, you running maybe even a consulting service. So you could package these elements well and think that if I have to sit in front of that particular individual, what are the 2 or 3 things that will get his attention to me? And now can I package this as a GIF or a graphic and then send it across to him, and do this at scale? And both of these begin with you identifying that what is my ICP in the scenario, and whether they are already across the journey at a certain point where they trust me, or they are at a stage right now where the trust has to be established and the journey has to be started.
Okay, got it. So anybody else has any questions? Any doubts on how you can use this tool? In that, do you have a trial link or something that you can share with us where we can start implementing and working with your tool?
Yeah, absolutely. I think anyone can go to the website, which is nextweave.com, and you can sign up over there. It's a freemium model, so you'll get 100 credits as soon as you sign up. You can go ahead and play around with it. The fastest way to learn is by joining a community. The community has about 1,000 members who've been using the platforms. So you'll get your queries answered very quickly over there. You'll be able to browse through several examples that they've been posting in terms of what's worked for them, etc., etc. And you can also jump into our help section, where we've made a YouTube channel plus close to 200 documents covering a variety of use cases, how you can use Nextweave with, let's say, a MailChimp platform or a WhatsApp platform, etc., etc. So it'll require a bit of a learning curve, but once you get there, I'm sure that you will get good value for the time that you've invested.
Okay, so all of you people, have you made a note? It's nextweave.com. You go there and you make things, you start your free trial. Also join the community, because unki community mein people had tried various ideas and got success in B2B, B2C with absolute strangers. So you learn a lot from there. So जाने से पहले, Inder, I would like to ask you 2 last questions. What is your vision with Nextweave for the next 5 years?
Yeah, very interesting question. Many of our early customers actually asked us that why did we name the platform Nextweave when it had a lot to do with video. And the reason for me stepping into this business was that I wanted to make it easier for businesses to go ahead and create experiences that will be extremely engaging. So right now, the feedback we got is that it's video, but tomorrow it could be something else altogether. So my goal over here is to help at least 1 lakh businesses over the next 5 years to go ahead and empower themselves so that they can create these kind of experiences, engage their audiences better, and then make their customers also feel a lot better.
Okay. And so this is a husband-wife team that is working to make a product to help everybody get sales. Guys, can we give a big, big, big internet moguls thank you to Inder in the comments, please?
Thank you so much, guys. It's actually a husband, wife, plus friend team. That's one of the things that I picked up from some of my peers who said that when you're jumping out of the journey of entrepreneurship, professionalism does matter. But if your relationships go long, you know that you are in that journey for a decade-long experience. So that's some of the things that you could probably take away when you're starting a side hustle or a venture.
Is that work with somebody that you care about, somebody who cares about you, and somebody who has a good relationship, so it can be built on trust? और दूसरा आप कह रहे हो कि 10 साल की journey है, तो rather do it with somebody who you care about.
Absolutely.
Awesome. I love when you said 10 साल की journey है, a decade, because कोई destination तो है ही नहीं. जितनी भी success मिलेगी, फिर एक challenge आएगा, फिर आगे जाना है. So thank you for sharing that with us, Inder, and we look forward to having you back talking to our community when you have 10,000 people in your community as well. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. My regards to your friend, my regards to your wife, and my regards to all your community members.
Thank you so much, Avi.
Thank you, Inder. Bye-bye. Take care. See you soon.
Take care, guys.